Want to implement Odoo server-side integration for Microsoft Universal Event Tracking? Establish a reliable synchronization for e-commerce events and first-party enhanced data via the Conversions API? The Microsoft UET Conversions API app by Garazd Creation delivers this functionality. The app offers the following advantages. Provides tracking data when the Microsoft UET tag script is blocked. Sends first-party user data for enhanced conversions. Implements event deduplication for reliable ad performance tracking. Allows tracking in both ways, or only through server-side integration. UET Conversions API. The Microsoft UET Conversions API is a way to send tracking data directly to Microsoft Advertising via a server-side API connection. It can work alongside the UET tag.js script in a browser, or without it, sending online and offline events. When browser extensions block the UET tag script on your website and tracking data is not sent, server-side integration can provide data for these events. Thus, you obtain two ways for transferring data, which include event deduplication for more accurate event tracking. Tracking activation. Starting with, go to the website settings and, in the Enhanced Website Tracking section, enable the Activate Tracking option. To test your website tracking and view tracked events in the browser console, also temporarily activate the debug logging feature. Now add a new tracking service by clicking the Manage Tracking Services link in the website settings, or go to the Configuration Tracking Services menu. If you have a multi-website environment, specify the one you need. Select the service type as Microsoft UET and paste your tag ID into the key field. Watch the related video to find out how to get the UET tag ID from Microsoft Advertising. The link is in the description. UET Conversions API Setup. Internal logs is a required option for API integration, which must be enabled. After that, switch on the API mode by enabling the API Activate option. Paste your API token into the Access Token field. Please note that, at this time of the video recording, as stated in the documentation, you need to contact your Microsoft Advertising account manager to retrieve the token. The rest of the basic and advanced settings for Microsoft Universal Event Tracking are covered in the related video for the e-commerce UET Tag app. The link is in the description. UET Enhanced Conversions. Enhanced Conversions help optimize your ads by providing Microsoft with first-party customer data. Open the Advanced Matching tab and click Enable Allowed to activate all available options for this tracking service. Customer data is formatted and hashed in accordance with Microsoft requirements. Use the Sale Order Partner value for the Customer Data option, as it provides more user details in case you allow guest checkouts without registration. Tracking data sending. Event tracking data is stored in the internal logs, which are sent to Microsoft Advertising via the Conversions API. To view logs, click the Logs button at the top of the form. Internal logs can also be used for your own analysis and monitoring. Enable the State and API Sent Date columns to be informed about the event sending status and date. Sending is performed periodically by a scheduled action. By default, it runs every 30 minutes. This interval can be adjusted to your requirements. To send tracking data manually, select tracking logs from the list or open a log and use the send event action. A log status can be warning or error based on the API response or when tracking data is missing. To see details, open the Technical tab and check the API response field. Optimize your Microsoft Ads outcomes with Direct Conversions API integration, developed by an experienced Odoo partner.